Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start exercise 6D. Okay. So we are going to learn some special products. Okay. Some special products. So number one is a plus b whole square. Whole square of a plus b equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let's see how to prove it. You can prove it this way. LHS equals a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. This is what means. Okay. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Now either you can multiply it vertically or horizontally. But I am going to start here, multiply here horizontally. First a will be multiplied with a plus b, a into a plus b plus, after that plus sign, plus b. Now b will be multiplied with b into a plus b. Now a into a is a square, a into b is, okay, this is the product of monomial into binomial or monomial into polynomial. So we have already learned how to multiply a into a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is again AB or BA is same thing. Okay, here AB and BA are same. So I can write it as AB. Now B into B is B square. So A square plus AB plus AB is 2AB plus B square. This is how you will derive it. Now the next product is number second is A minus B whole square, which is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. You can also derive it in the same way. LHS equals A minus B whole square means A minus B into A minus B. Now multiply it, A into A minus B minus B into A minus B. Now A into A is A square minus A into B is AB minus A into B is again AB and minus minus here plus B square. So this will be equal to A square minus 2AB minus AB and minus AB makes 2AB makes minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, in this way you will derive. And the third one is A plus B. Third product is A plus B into A minus B. Okay, which is equal to A square minus B square. Now to derive it, take LHS A plus B into A minus B. Okay, multiply it horizontally. A into A is A into A minus B plus B into A minus B. Okay, now here A into A is A square minus A into B is minus AB plus B into A is plus BA and plus B into minus B. Plus minus is minus B. Here you see plus AB, you can write it as AB. Okay. Plus AB and minus AB will cancel each other, and now we are left with A square minus B square. Okay. In this way, you will learn all these three products. You have to remember the formula. Now we will see some examples. Suppose 3x plus 5y whole square is given. 3x plus 5y whole square is given. How we will solve it? Using formula, we know that whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus b plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? We know that a whole square of a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will apply it. So a here in place of a, what is in place of a? 3x. And what is in place of b? Plus 5y. Okay. In place of a we have 3x and in place of b we have 5y. Now a square. A square means here a is 3x. So 3x whole square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into a. What is in place of a? 3x into b. What is in place of b? Here in place of a 3x and in place of b is 5y. So 2 into 3x into 5y plus b square. What is in place of b? 5y. Okay. 5y whole square. Now what is whole square of 3x? 3 3s are 9 and x square. 9x square plus here you multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now 30 xy plus 5 5s are 25 y square. So this is the answer. Okay. In the same way, if suppose there was minus sign here. Suppose the problem was 3x minus 5y whole square. Then you have to apply the formula of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. What was the formula? A square minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So the only change was a square is same minus here. Only sign will be changed. Minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Here only sign will be changed. In this way you will apply this formula. Okay. Now let's see the third one. Suppose 3x plus 5y into 3x minus 5y. Here we have to apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b? We know that a square minus b square. So we will use this formula. So what is in place of a? In place of a you have 3x and in place of b you have 5y. So a plus b in a square. The formula is a square. So 3x whole square minus b square minus 5y whole square. So what is 3x whole square? 9x square minus 25y square. So this is the answer. In this way you will apply this formula. Now we will see some more examples. Suppose you have to find 105 whole square. How will you find? You can make it. You can write 105 as 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5 whole square. And then apply the formula a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square. Here in place of a, there is 100 and in place of b, there is 5. So a square plus 2ab plus 2 into a means 100 into 5 plus b square. B square means 5 square. Okay. In this way you will solve it and you will get the answer. Suppose 97 square was given. So you can write it. You can make 97 as 100 minus 3 whole square and solve it. Okay. And here suppose that 8.3 into 7.7 is given. 8.3 into 7.7 is given. So how will you solve it using formula? You can write it 8 plus 0.3 and you can write 7.7 as 8 minus 0.3. Okay, 8 plus 0.3 is 8.3 and 8 minus 0.3 is 7.7. Now you can use formula a square minus b square because it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Here a in place of a we have 8 and in place of b we have 0.3. So now we have made converted it into this form a plus b into a minus b. Now we will apply the formula a square minus b square. So this is 8 square minus 0.3 square. So 8 square is 64. Okay. So I am going to write it here. 8 square is 64 and 64 minus 0.3 square. 0.3 square is 0.09. Now subtract it and you will get the answer. 64 minus 0.09. Subtract it. You can subtract it. 64 0.09 0.0019 63.91. Okay. So when you will multiply it, you will get 63.91. Now we will see some another type of problem. Suppose if x plus 1 by x equals 5, then we have to find what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x4 plus 1 by x4. What is the value of this? X square plus 1 by x square and x4 plus 1 by x4. So to get the value of this, first square both sides. What will you do? Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, you will get x plus 1 by x whole square and here 5 square. Okay, there 5 square. Now you will see, apply the formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x. Because in place of a we have x and in place of b we have 1 by x. So a square means x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. So it will become 1 by x square. Now 25. Now here x and x will cancel each other. Now we are left with x square plus 1 by x square equals 25 minus 2. 25 minus 2. So therefore its value is x square plus 1 by x square equals 23. In this way, now you are asked to find x4 plus 1 by x4. Now see, so its value is 23. Now we will find the value of its value is 23. Now we know that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 23. Then again square both sides. Squaring both sides we will get, because we need the power of 4. So we have to square both sides. Now apply the formula a square plus 1 by a plus b whole square of a plus b. Okay, apply this formula. So here a square means here in place of a you have x square and in place of b you have 1 by x square. So a square means x square whole square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. A means x square into b means 1 by x square plus b square. B square means 1 by x square whole square. And here 23 square. 23 square is 529. Okay. 23 square. Yes. 23, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 4. Okay. 529 will be. 529 will be the answer. Now here, what will you get in the LHS? X square and x square will cancel. So here x square. So x square whole square. This 2 and 2 will be multiplied. It means x square whole square means x square into x square 2 times. Base is same, power will be added. So if base is same x, power will be added 2 plus 2. So we will get x4. Similarly, we will get x4 here plus 2 and plus here you will get 1 by x4 equals 529. Now therefore x4 plus 1 by x4 will be equal 529 minus 2. So 527 will be the answer. In this way you will solve this type of question. So your homework will be exercise 60 1 to 15. Okay, exercise 60 1 to 15. Okay students, complete your homework and thanks for watching the video.